Tugma ang fingerprints ni suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo at Chinese national na si Guo Huaping. Iyan ang kinumpirma mismo ng National Bureau of Investigation NBI batay sa ginawa po nilang pagsusuri ayon kay NBI Director Jaime Santiago dahil dito'y lumalabas na iisang tao lamang. Itong si Mayor Guo at si Guo Huaping.
When we check yung fingerprint ni Guo Huaping and compared it with na kinuha noong 2006 at yung fingerprint impression ni Guo Alice Ilial, we found it to be similar, the same, one and the same person. Fingerprint, dactyloscopy is an infallible science of identification. No two person, even twins, will have the same fingerprints. Conclusive ito. Sa korte, conclusive ito.